Hi everyone, welcome to the video on NumPys. So what we are going to do today is, let's say we specify a row and a column, say a 2 comma 3, and our expected output is that it returns an array of two rows and three columns. But the thing is that the array should have ones at all its index positions. So how do we do this is using numpys, and there's a function called numpy.once which will help us get this uh, following array. So how do we go about? So let's ask the user. It's in a row and column. I specified it as x and y, and then we pass this parameters as a tuple to the function. I call it shape, and what do we need to do? This is the syntax to call this particular function. Say np.once. So np, because I have imported as np, and then once we have to first parameter is shape. The shape has to be a tuple containing x and y, the rows and columns we need. So I'll mention it as shape, which I have passed here in the function. And then the second parameter is data type. By default, data type is float, but we would like to keep it as int. So we'll write d type is equal to int, and let this be array. We'll be passing this array back, this calling function, and then the array right now will be the what the array we are expecting right now is going to be in this particular variable, and we are going to print it right now. So so let's specify the number of rows to be 3 and the number of columns to be 4. So we get an array of 3 cross 4 where at all its index positions there's 1. Now data type, if I just leave it default as it is, then do the same thing, we're going to get a 3 cross 4 array, but the only difference being that the values in their index positions will be a floating variable. You can see it's 1.0 in each index. So this is how you use np.once, which helps us in creating an array having all values to be 1 at all its index positions, and the size what we specify.